Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to AliExpress in 2025, step by step, even if you're brand new to dropshipping. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for DSers. This is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner app. Click Install and add it to your Shopify store. Step 2. Once DSers is installed, open the app and create a free account, or log in if you already have one. Step 3. After signing in, DSers will ask you to connect your Shopify store. Just click Authorize and follow the prompt. Step 4. Now, connect your AliExpress account. In DSers, go to Settings, Account tab, and click Authorize AliExpress. Log into your AliExpress account and allow access. Step 5. You're now fully connected. Start browsing AliExpress directly in DSers. Select products and click Add to Import List. Step 6. From the import list, customize product titles, descriptions, prices, and images. When ready, click Push to Store. Step 7. Your products are now live on your Shopify store, ready for orders. Reminder: always choose trusted suppliers on AliExpress with high ratings and fast shipping. And that's how you connect Shopify to AliExpress in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.